Today I'm gonna show you how you can get from idea phase to published phase. Just 5 minutes using the help of Notion and ChatGPT. So we'll see that. So this is the Notion homepage we are gonna use to manage our YouTube videos and get organized. So there is a lot of pages, and I know it's quite confusing sometimes. But all you need is one single page, which is status page. Okay, and here goes all the ideas. Okay, now let's add a new idea. Create open page, and here just add our new idea, which is how to make a quick capture system in Notion for YouTube. That's our YouTube tutorial I'm gonna make, for example. Okay, now let's add a tag, which is tutorial tag. Of course, I can use multiple tags if you want. And also let's add a timeline, which is, and date should be, I don't want to be more than 2 days. Okay, let's give it a 25. Okay, it's gonna start 22 and gonna end in 25. And there this has the file you need to upload, like video file and script, but we are in the idea section, sure, so we don't have to add that right now. So we are only final create, I come up with the idea you need to create, and our next step is just move this to script section where you need to add the script. Okay, you can either ask ChatGPT or create your own, but yeah, let's go to the easy way, which is ChatGPT. So let's create a prompt like idea should be your title. You need to create a script about, and then ask if I want this in PDF. You can either copy and paste if you want. I mean PDF because I want to organize. Okay, maybe I will use this script later, so to make that organized. That's why I'm asking the PDF, and it's asking in PDF. Okay, let's convert this to PDF, or you can say yes, but I'd say PDF. And it's gonna analyze and create a download link. Okay, this is let's tap on it. Now let's come out the stage, and then here you need to add the script. Okay, here I added the script, and now our next step is here. Let's move this to our film section. Now our job is to film this. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera on and then film it. After filming it, our next step is editing. So for editing, let's move it to editing, and here you can add file. First you can add the raw file, and second you can add the edited file, or two of them, but you need to upgrade this. Okay, because it's 5 MB limit. Okay, so let's need to upgrade it, and then you need to add the file. After adding the file, you can also arrange the assets that are used for editing, like the background track you used, and the thumbnail you are using, and the video ending template, and so on. You can add that. Also you can write the task if you want, because and task will only show up in our homepage. I will show you that too. After adding the asset we are used and the video files, let's go to our next thing is, of course, uploading. That's the final step, which is uploading. Here you gonna need title and description. You can ask for here create, then it's gonna enter, and it's gonna show the title, description, and tags. And then we can copy this or right here, and then we're gonna paste this right over. It's uh, okay, YouTube audience, and here let's gonna delete that and paste this. Okay, and also add title, description, tags. Okay, here the title, description here, and the tags here, and that's how you can make this uh, published. Last step is publish, of course. Last step is publish. Okay, before I upload this, after uploading, you can move to the, I'll move this to publish. and then we can start all our create find idea here, then script and blah blah blah. You can start again and again. Okay, and that's how you can finish what you started. That's how you can manage a video step by step, but from idea to upload and finish published. Okay, done. Now let's see the task. Okay, where this task all go. So come over here, you can see a time-based view where you can see all the tasks you are added today, tomorrow, and next week. And there is a high priority task view where you can see the task by high priority and also a current view. Okay, these are the tasks where go. This also many sections. Okay, I'm adding this link in description. You can download that, which is really helpful. And yeah, that's it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I'll back again with wonderful workflow that is really helpful. Okay, see you then.